how to fix pull up for precise seeking problem in YouTube. So you're going to open YouTube app, then you click your profile icon at the top right corner, then you select settings, then you scroll down and you select accessibility, then you enable accessibility player, then under hide player controls you open, then you select after 3 seconds. So I can play one video to prove whether this has worked. So when you play a video, you realize that thing will disappear after 3 seconds, as you can see. So the second option is for you to go to your phone settings. So you open phone settings, select apps and notifications, then you select YouTube, then select storage, and then you clear cache and you also clear storage. So after that, you open your YouTube app, so when you open the YouTube app, you can now play a video to see if it has worked. So successfully this has been fixed. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos, and you can check these others at the end of the video.